Looking for sharp, detailed resin prints without overpaying? Here are the top 9 resin 3D printers on Amazon, with updated links in the description. Kicking off the list at number 9, we have the Gears Reflex Turbo, a resin 3D printer designed for people who want professional-looking results without spending hours tweaking settings. What really makes this model stand out is how beginner-friendly the whole experience feels. The automatic calibration system and smart resin management help reduce failed prints, which is a huge advantage if you're still learning or simply want a smoother workflow. It's especially great for printing highly detailed miniatures, collectibles, prototypes, or artistic models where precision really matters. The fast printing speeds also mean you can finish larger projects in less time without sacrificing quality. While it's more expensive than entry-level options, the convenience, consistency, and clean user experience easily justify its place on this list for users who value reliability and premium results. Coming in at number 8, the Anycubic Photon Mono P1 is a really solid choice for creators who want sharp detail and reliable performance without making the jump to an expensive professional machine. This printer is especially appealing for hobbyists printing miniatures, action figures, tabletop models, or highly detailed prototypes where surface quality matters. One of its biggest strengths is the balance between speed and precision. You get clean, crisp prints while still cutting down waiting times compared to older resin printers. The user interface is also simple enough for beginners, so you spend less time troubleshooting and more time actually printing. Its stable structure helps reduce vibration during long print sessions, which can make a noticeable difference in final quality. It may not have every premium feature on the market, but for overall value, consistency, and ease of use, the Photon Mono P1 definitely earns its spot in this ranking. At number 7, we have the Uniformation GK3 Ultra, a resin 3D printer built for users who want larger print capacity without giving up the fine detail resin printing is known for. This machine is especially impressive for creators printing statues, helmets, large miniatures, or multiple models at the same time thanks to its generous build volume. What makes the GK3 Ultra stand out is its focus on stability and consistency. During long print sessions, that means fewer failed prints and smoother surfaces, which is something experienced users will really appreciate. The enclosed design also helps create a cleaner and more controlled printing environment, making the overall experience feel more premium. It's definitely more aimed at serious hobbyists and advanced users rather than complete beginners, but if you want a printer capable of handling ambitious projects with reliable quality, the GK3 Ultra absolutely deserves a spot on this list. In 6th place, we have the Creality Halodex One Combo, a resin printer that focuses heavily on convenience, speed, and a more user-friendly experience from start to finish. This is a great option for people who love detailed resin printing but don't want the process to feel overly technical or messy every single time they use it. One of the biggest highlights here is the intelligent workflow system, which helps simplify printing and reduces some of the common frustrations beginners often face. It's ideal for printing miniatures, collectible figures, artistic designs, or even small product prototypes with clean detail and smooth surfaces. The enclosed design also helps keep the setup looking modern and organized while offering a bit more protection during printing. More advanced users may still want additional manual controls, but for anyone looking for a balance between smart features, solid print quality, and ease of use, the Halodex One Combo is definitely worth considering. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. Halfway through the list at number 5, we have the Anycubic Photon Mono 4 Ultra, a compact resin printer that delivers surprisingly impressive detail for its size and price range. This is the kind of machine that works especially well for hobbyists, tabletop gamers, and creators who want professional-looking miniatures and figures without needing a huge workspace. One of the biggest advantages here is how sharp and clean the final prints look. Fine textures, tiny details, and smooth surfaces come out incredibly well, which makes a huge difference when printing collectibles or display pieces. It also offers faster printing speeds than many older entry-level resin printers, helping you finish projects more efficiently. The smaller build volume may feel limiting for large models, but for users focused on quality over size, this printer absolutely delivers. Considering its balance of detail, speed, and overall ease of use, the Photon Mono 4 Ultra easily earns its place in the top 5. At number 4, we have the Frozen Sonic Mini 8KS, a printer that's all about ultra-fine detail and precision. If your main goal is creating highly detailed miniatures, collectible figures, jewelry models, or professional quality display pieces, this machine is easily one of the strongest options in its category. What really makes it stand out is the incredible sharpness you get on tiny textures and small design elements. Things like facial features, armor details, and intricate patterns come out looking much cleaner and more refined compared to lower resolution printers. It's also compact enough to fit comfortably into smaller workspaces, making it a great option for home creators. The trade-off is that the build volume is more limited than larger resin printers, so it's not ideal for oversized projects. But if maximum detail is your priority and you care more about quality than print size, the Sonic Mini 8KS absolutely deserves a top 4 spot in this ranking. Breaking into the top 3, we have the Creality K2 Combo, and even though it's technically more focused on filament printing than traditional resin printing, it deserves a mention for creators who want versatility, larger projects, and multicolor capabilities in one machine. This is a fantastic option for people making cosplay pieces, toys, prototypes, decorative models, or functional parts that need more size and durability. What really makes the K2 Combo exciting is how automated and user-friendly the experience feels. Features like automatic leveling and the multicolor system help simplify prints that would normally require a lot more manual work. It's designed for creators who want professional-looking results while saving time and reducing setup frustration. It's not the ideal pick if your main focus is ultra-tiny resin-style detail. But for bigger creative projects and all-around flexibility, the Creality K2 Combo easily earns its place near the top of the list. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. Taking the number 2 spot, we have the Anycubic Photon Mono 4, a resin 3D printer that stands out for offering excellent detail, simple operation, and strong value in one compact machine. It's a great choice for beginners, hobbyists, and miniature painters who want clean results without dealing with a complicated setup. The light turbo system helps deliver more even exposure, which means sharper details, smoother surfaces, and fewer frustrating print issues. For tabletop miniatures, anime figures, statues, and small prototypes, this makes a real difference in the final look. It may not be the largest printer in the ranking, but it gets the essentials right: reliable quality, easy controls, and a price that makes sense. That's why the Photon Mono 4 earns such a high position. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, we have the FlashForge Adventurer 5M, a printer that stands out for being incredibly fast, reliable, and surprisingly beginner-friendly. Even though it's not a traditional resin printer, it earns the top position because of how easy it makes the entire 3D printing experience for everyday users. This is the kind of machine that works great for creators printing toys, cosplay accessories, home projects, prototypes, and colorful decorative models without constantly worrying about calibration or complicated settings. The automatic features and smooth touchscreen interface help you start printing quickly, while the high-speed performance saves a huge amount of time on larger projects. It may not deliver the ultra-fine detail of premium resin printers, especially for tiny miniatures, but for overall usability, speed, reliability, and versatility, the Adventurer 5M is easily one of the most practical and enjoyable 3D printers to own right now.